everybody, it's Donna. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a February monthly and currently page. So I wanted to go ahead and get a head start on some of my filming, so I wanted to go ahead and get my February monthly and currently pages ready. I have taken the liberty of pre-pulling my stickers. Since this is in my personal mini, it is a bit smaller, so there's not as much to do. So I have pulled from, let me see here, let me get myself all lined up. All right, I hope y'all's last week has went well. I took the weekend off because I was taking care of my grandbaby, and I wanted to give him my full attention because he is a baby. So I used watercolor, stickers from watercolor, stickers from Happy Memory Keeping, Dates and Holidays. I used stickers from Best Year Ever. I used stickers from Glitter Paint, and I used stickers from Colorful Boxes. So there's a mouthful for you. So let's get started. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these away, and I'm going to go ahead and just focus on my currently page. So I was talking to a couple of Instagram friends, and they were asking like for ideas and stuff. And I honestly think that it would be super neat to do a Valentine's spread that would be not red or pink or your usual Valentine colors, like some really crazy out of the box, colors or something. I thought that would be fun and quite frankly very different. So I just thought that would be nice. So anyway, wonder what you guys thought about it. I am just going to cover that up like so. And I was thinking of doing something like super funky. Don't really know, but I mean, I thought, I could make it happen, which I'm sure you can too. So I'm just going to put this here. Okay. Fold this so I didn't want to have a whole lot here because I only have like one birthday that I keep track of, and that's one of my besties, Becky. Her birthday's on the 23rd, so I'll put like Becky right here in like red. So there's my currently page in February. So let's move on. I'm going to put this over here out of the way, and let's go ahead and put these two down and see what I've got going here. I think I have this right here, and I just put it, I mean, I don't care to leave that there. I mean, it doesn't bother me. And, to me, like everybody else says, your planner has to make you happy. Doesn't have to make anybody else happy. But I also want to do, that's not the right tweezers. It's funny once you get in here, it's like you can't ever find anything that you're looking for. But when you're not looking for it, you can find it. Like, and I had those tweezers, there they are, just the other day. Of course, I guess it would help if I put them back where I found them, wouldn't it? Don't have anybody to blame for that but me, because I live alone. All right. So I'm just going to put some heart-shaped bullet points here. So I can just strategically write in, chores or budget or whatever I need to write, or like Becky, whatever. You know what I mean? Like gift, da-da-da-da. So you get the point. So I'm just going to go down through here and try to space them pretty evenly. I was watching, I can't think of how to pronounce her name, but anyway, Cindy, this morning, and she's a bullet journaler, and I love this woman. Now, she likes to cuss a lot, and so, you know, it's just who she is, and, you know, a lot of people may have an issue with that. I feel like if somebody has a talent that I want to watch and I want to learn from, I can overlook whatever, because I'm not perfect. And if she likes to cuss and it makes her feel better, then, you know, more power to her. I cuss, but not, you know, horrible. So, but I love her. Like, she's so funny. And she really makes you think. This is what I love about her, okay? She's all about do you. You know, you have a community that you want to make happy and that you want to teach. And I do, very much. I also want to be my own person. I want to do my planners efficiently. And then when I have out-of-the-box ideas, that's okay too. That might not be, you know, your thing, or might not be something that you like, but you still have to be true to your styles and the things that you like. I mean, I don't care who you're watching, whether it's Kell of a Plan or Planning with Bumble. You know, they all have things they radiate to. Like, you know, Heather's favorite color is yellow. Well, pink's my favorite color. Planning with Bumble, Mary Ellen, she doesn't like a lot of matchy-matchy. You know, she's sort of like me. She likes it sort of off sometimes. So, you have to be true to you. So, with that being said, where did I put, let's see. This is going to go down here. I can't remember where I was going to put this. I would have thought that I was going to put it. I'm going to put it right here. So, right there. And that'll mark her birthday. And then, I wanted to keep the monthly pretty simple. Didn't want it to go all over the place. These are small planners. They're personal size. You can't go crazy with them. And I just wanted to be able to have my white space to plan the way I want. You know, just put some stuff down if I need to. And keep it super simple, just like so. And that's it. I mean, I think less is more. Sometimes I think that if you don't get crazy, it looks just as good as, you know, if you went too crazy. And I tend to do that too. So this is my personal mini happy planner. It's the personal size. This is the February currently and monthly spread for Valentine's Day. So guys, I hope you liked it. If you did, I hope that you would consider, sorry about the sun. I hope that you would consider subscribing to my channel. I'm almost at 100 subscribers, and I'm super excited about that. And I hope you would also consider giving me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. If you like what you see and you want to get to know me, I'm also on Instagram at Donna Smith Wilson, and on Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And until then, I hope you have a great rest of your week. Bye, guys.